singing. A little chipmunk. I don't know what he's singing about, but he's singing. It's interesting. I'm working here in the backyard of this lady's house there, clearing everything out. This was the clothesline there that had all the trees on it before. And I got a little chipmunk singing at me. Or a squirrel. It might be a baby squirrel even, I don't know. But anyway, he seems pretty agitated. Maybe he doesn't like me being here cutting down the trees. He says, "You're cutting down my habitat, you so-and-so." Hey. He's letting me know he's not happy. He's looking right at me now and singing. Or yelling or something. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Where is he now? Oh, there he is. It's getting hard to hold my phone up. Anyway, there he is. He's not happy anyway. Oh, alrighty. Well, I'll talk to y'all later.